To set up our PyTest Full-Stack, create a virtual environment, install the requirements.txt, run playwright install to load browsers if you're going to be launching them in headed mode. Go into activate your virtual environment, Windows or Mac. I'm on Windows. And then we can run our first test. It's just going to run through all our tests here. And we can see straight away we're getting our custom report headers, plus also a return value from one of our custom hooks of our global value. And then as we go into our tests, we can see we've got nice output. You can change the word. You can say pass with an exclamation mark. We can change its color. We can change its font. We can add icons. I wasn't able to do that for the others. For some reason, only I could format the colors for passed. Xfail, that's when we mark one of our tests with Xfail and it fails. So we're happy with that. So it's effectively a pass. But XPass is when we mark it with Xfail and it actually passes. And we didn't expect that. And so it's effectively a fail, but it's what we call an unexpected pass. We have failed, skip for any reasons. As we keep coming down here, we can see all of the tests sort of running away. There's about 180 of them. If you're doing everything, some printing out some things through it. This is where we're going on to a progress bar in Playwright, coming all the way down, and we do get our expected output failures because we have got some fails in there, and we see the short summary, again with our nice custom icons. And if we do the same but with --tb equals no, we will suppress any tracebacks. In our test, while that's running, we have a whole range of templated tests, and I also use a text ID. So for example, if we come into a test folder here, we see a test ID, 4 characters after test, because in our conf-test.py we're producing reports, and reports are in the results. And you can see, for example, when we do it here, we get our test ID outputted, we get the test name, we get the test node ID, which is from the very top of tests all the way down into the file, into the test name itself, whether it's passed and the time taken, the duration of each test. So we can analyze this and combine it with other CSVs and other tables, say in SQL, to get more management information. And as we see at the bottom here, we've suppressed the traceback and get our summary. We can put our summary in here or in the short summary here. So that's installation and running of our tests.